Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Entitle. Entitle means give someone legal right or just claim to receive or do something. For example, employees are normally entitled to severance pay. Employees are normally entitled to severance pay. Synonyms: qualify, make eligible, authorize.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. All 4-year-old children are already entitled to receive free nursery education. Now, repeat after me. All 4-year-old children are already entitled to receive free nursery education. The second exemplar. It is well established that patients are entitled to receive competent care. Now, repeat after me. It is well established that patients are entitled to receive competent care. The third exemplar. Patients are entitled to receive health care on the basis of clinical need. Now, repeat after me. Patients are entitled to receive health care on the basis of clinical need.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word alphabet comes from the first 2 letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha, beta.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.